Hey folks, it's Chris with Simple Tech coming at you with this week's Simple Tech tip. In this quick little 2-minute ride, we're going to talk about how to change the default web browser on your Mac. So when you're using a Mac, the default web browser out of the box is Safari, just like any other Apple product. I've been using a Mac for decades, so I can understand that the experience with Safari can sometimes be frustrating. When browsing the web, you may encounter websites that don't play well with Safari. Often in those situations, you're going to see a message from the website provider that the other web browsers may provide a better user experience. In some cases, it's even required to have a different web browser for any experience at all on the websites. Therefore, some people want to change their default web browser on their Mac, or they're just not satisfied with Safari, or just simply want to use an alternative web browser. There are many reasons why you would want to change your default web browser, and while it isn't extremely difficult, it can be challenging if you're not very tech savvy or know what steps need to be taken. So in this tutorial, we're going to just show you how easy it is to change the default web browser in macOS Big Sur. So the first step in changing your default web browser in macOS Big Sur is just to find the new browser you'd like to use. In most cases, this could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Those tend to be the go-to options. These web browsers tend to be the most popular because they're built on that Chromium platform. Chromium is an open source web browser project that it's the basis for these browsers, which allows for more customization and a better overall user experience. And so once you find the web browser you like, simply download it and install it. If you want to find out more about different web browsers available for macOS Big Sur and what works well on the new M1 chips, take a look at the Macworld article that we do have posted down below. Okay, so now that we have our default web browser installed, we are going to go ahead and change that. So we're going to go up to the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner, and we're going to choose System Preferences. Your system preferences may be located on your dock. I don't know, I'm not there, so I'm not sure, so we'll just go that way. And then we're going to go to this General tab here at the very beginning, and we're going to click on General. And then you'll see when we're on that General tab, we have default web browser, kind of 2/3 of the way down. And you'll see mine is already set to Microsoft Edge, but this is where you can change it from Safari to Edge or Chrome or whatever it may be. And once you make that selection, that's it. You're done. Go ahead and close out, and you've done the deed. So now that you've successfully changed your default web browser, anytime you click on a link, regardless of where it came from, that default web browser is going to open. If you want to change it back, just change it again as you did the first time by just following this tutorial. Keep in mind that this is only for the default web browser. If there is a different web browser installed on your Mac you want to use, it's not going to be affected by this, and you're going to have to open the application directly. So to learn more tips and tricks for your Mac, check out our other 2-minute rides on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to get updates via email. Thanks everybody, and have a great week.